What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, guys, so right now I'm out here by myself, solo. You see me? About to do a little fishing video, you see me? So here, guys, this is the spot where I'm at right now. You see me? Beautiful day. We had heaps of rain earlier, well, even last night up until this morning. So yeah, man, and it's a bit windy, guys, but I'm out here. I have fishing rod there, I have my baits and all that, using prawns today, guys. So yeah, let's see if I can catch something, you see me? So stay tuned, guys. We on the roll now. Let's go now.
It's an island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah.
So there's also a few people up there fishing. Yeah, and some people on the water having a good time. They're in boats, I'm guessing they're fishing as well. Also jet skis and everything like that, you see it. So yeah, man, it looks like a nice area. Alright, guys, so this is what I'm working with. Yeah. A little hook on. Some small prawns. Just using the tail of it, you know. Yeah. Alright, guys, so let's see what happens. Woo. Alrighty. Woo! Oh, that's see. Not normal. Yeah, guys, set and ready, you know. So it's all about the waiting game now. Guys, just reeling up to check. Did them steal my bait? Alright. So at least I know it's them there boat, you know? Them teeth off my bait. Alrighty. Alright, second cast, guys. Woo. Oh, guys, fish on. Got my first bite. Fish on, guys. Come here. Oh, brim. Haha. Look at that, guys. Nice. This is a nice one, guys. Oh, we have dinner. Look at this, beautiful. Show you guys. Woo. I've hold it good. Nice one, guys. Alright, let's go again, guys. Oh, that's sea. Alright, let's go again, guys. Oh, that's sea. Whew.
Just in case you need more bait or something to eat.
Just in case you need more bait or something to eat.
Guys, I was really not expecting that a while ago, trust me. Like, she probably thought that I was homeless or something. I didn't even know how to react to that a while ago. You see it, but it just shows you that people are very kind, you see me? Like, not because the color of your skin or all because you're in Australia, you see me? So yeah, that was eye-opener for me a while ago. Yeah, I was not expecting that, but you know, thanks to her, she just gave me $15, guys. I don't even know how to react to this, but yeah, that just happened, guys. Wow. Fish on, guys. Almost got my line tangled again. Oh no, shit. Because I took the time off, guys. I took the time a while ago to turn on the camera, and this fish just got away because of that. Oh, I'm getting a big bite. Oh, got him, guys. Got him, guys. Let's hope it's a nice one. Feel kind of small. Oh, it's a baby. This one has to throw back, guys. Oh my god. Look at this. It's a baby one. There it is, guys. Very small brim. You gotta go. Just see a turtle a while ago, guys. Just float up. But it's gone underneath again. So make sure if you guys reach this far into the video, please leave a like. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll always be notified when I drop a video. Alright? So my line just itched a while ago and I lost my weight, so going for another one. Get ready. Caught one already. I'm just at least look for one more, you see me? So we can have dinner. Just like that. Ready again. Turn another piece. No, I'm not put on another piece. That's how I work with the same bait here. Small like this. See what happens. So I caught something else, guys, and I didn't even realize. I couldn't even feel that it was on the line. This is in Jamaica we call it a buckle belly, but it's really a puffer fish. Yeah, I think it's also very poisonous. Like you cannot eat it, as far as I know. Yeah, so this is a puffer fish. See it? Go back. Ooh, did it get there? It must be a small one. What the hell? The same puffer fish? Right after the other. Another puffer fish again, guys. No, sir. I've got to change the spot, you know. It's a smaller one. Or probably around the same size. Yeah. I'm gonna go down a bit further and see what happens. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm now closer to the water and down further. So let's see if I can catch something here. Let's go. All I need is just one more or two more. You see me? So balance out things for me and my family, you see me? Yeah, man. Oh. Got a bite, guys. Got a bite. Oh, really small. Where are the big ones? Oh my god. Another small one again. There, very small. Ooh, fish on, guys. But I feel small, yo. Feel like me now feel a more big one. Feel small. Yikes. Very small, guys. I'm going back. Don't feel like the Australian fish them I eat that, you know. Yo. Fish a teeth bait hard. There's a fish on now, guys. Oh, it's running to the rocks. Oh, big brim. Oh, this is a nice one, guys. Yeah. Finally, me catch the second one now. At least me can say, yeah, have dinner. Oh, the bone's very spiky, yo. Yeah, guys. Just one more now. I'm good. Alright. Ooh, getting a bite, guys. Fish on, guys. Yeah, this one feel like nice size. Let's see, guys. Ooh, what kind of fish is this? Ooh, this is a nice fish, but I've never seen this kind before. Wow, if you guys have any idea, comment down below. Let me know. Looks nice, isn't it? Well, almost look like a chub fish that we have. Kind of similar looking. Ah, nice. Alright, guys, so that's 3 fish for 3 of us, me, Babes, and Island. Huh? Yeah. I just wanted to know, what type of fish is this?
Blackfish.
Blackfish? It's eatable?
Yeah, I think.
Blackfish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they're good eating.
Okay, nice.
What did you catch him on?
It's prawns.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Caught anything?
Was this morning we got some nice jewies
Oh, cool.
and like flatties and all that stuff.
Oh, cool. Alright. There's Babe and Island right now. Coming. What going?
Yeah.
Yeah. I caught dinner.
Yeah, how many?
3. 3 of us.
Woo!
Yeah. Hey, Bobo. Hello, Mr. Island. What going? Oh, nice. Thank you, baby. Yeah. Let's put this right here for a bit. I think it's soon. Alright, so caught these.
Oh, wow, that's a different kind.
Yeah, I asked one of those boys and they told me the name. I don't remember the name, but yeah.
Looks like a blackfish.
Something like that they said. I think it's blackfish, if I'm correct.
Sit down.
Yeah, and there's another one up there. The first one I caught. So yeah.
Nice.
So 3 of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good fishy. Good
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, puffer fish. Yeah, I caught another one. This is actually the 3rd one. Yeah. Yeah, puffer fish. Yeah, and I think they're also poisonous. Like you can't eat them. Yeah. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of this video. You see me, and it was a successful day, you see it. Caught 3 nice size fish, which we can cook for me and my family, you see me. So yeah man. So guys, if you made it this far into the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, you see me. Yeah man, subscribe if you're new. Yeah man, and catch you guys in the next one. Yes. You have anything you want to say, baby?
Oh, nothing. I'm just happy, excited. I picked up our bike rack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bubble there. Alright, so we're heading home now, guys. So catch you guys soon.
Catch you guys.
Blessings. Alright guys, so I'm currently home and I just want to talk about what happened earlier today. That lady that gave me the money. You know, after thinking about it all, I'm like, you know, it's I don't know exactly why she did that, you know, and I don't know exactly why I accepted it either, because you know it happened so fast where it become a shock to me, you know. Like I didn't even know what to say, if I should say yes or no, you know, and for some reason I accepted it, you know, and looking at it, I'm like, after I took it, I realized, damn, was she thinking that I'm homeless, you know? Like, it was just crazy. I'm like, wow, you know, or was she just, I don't know exactly how to say it, but yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comment section, you know? Either way, I guess I find an unexpected content, you know? So yeah, guys, it wasn't just fishing today, you know? Yeah, so let me know what you guys think or have to say about this, you know? Yeah, because in a sense it feels like a bit embarrassing, you know, because I accepted it, which I'm not the type of person to take money from people like that, you see me? So it was just not the norm, you know? So yeah, let me know what you guys think. All right.